Flying in formation has been an exhibit of remarkable machinery by the squadrons. Commercial aviation has constantly reckoned opportunities to make flights more profitable, efficient, and comfortable. While aerodynamics and jet engines are frequently explored, the sector has now shown interest in flying patterns. Airbus's program, dubbed fello'fly, is testing the possibility of flying commercial planes in formation on long-haul routes. Airbus believes this routine would result in fuel savings. How? Let us find out after the intro. Formation flying is a synchronous movement of two or more aircrafts. It's a popular sight in air shows where the minimum separation between aircrafts can be as low as 3 feet. The technique was first discovered during the two world wars when the airplanes flew in proximity as escort units or squadrons to increase combat power. Airbus's proposal to incorporate formation flying into the civilian airspace is seemingly inspired by the wonderment of why migratory birds fly in formation. In a flock of geese, each bird flies slightly higher than the preceding one to reduce air resistance and conserve their energy. This allows them to efficiently fly for longer periods. The other reason being, communication and coordination is rendered and every goose gets accounted for by the pack. While the former seemingly spurs interest, Airbus proposes to fly a two-aircraft formation on long-haul routes, imitating the positioning of two migratory birds. The wingtips of an aircraft leave behind a rotating stream of air known as wingtip vortices. The vortices are residuals of the air generating lift and tend to rotate in the clockwise direction. Separated by a distance of 1.5 nautical miles, the following aircraft would not fly into the vortices but slightly offset, taking advantage of the smooth updraft. Researchers at Airbus believe that this would result in a 5 to 10% fuel savings. Ever been on a jet ski? It's kind of like riding on the calmer wake of the preceding craft in turbulent waters. This is a vision and developing story, the results of which will reveal if the idea verifies the hypothesis. Yet, there is the question on the practicality of this concept. On ground, it can introduce more complexities for pairing and coordinating the departure of two flights. At cruising altitudes, pilots may be subject to more stress, continually monitoring their position in this exclusive bubble. Another concerning scenario is if a structural or engine damage occurs with the preceding aircraft, that would send the debris flying towards the second. Setting aside those, this is Airbus's deep commitment among many to make commercial aviation sustainable. I cannot help but recall the concept of circular runways that was innovative but unsuitable for adoption. The thought here is ingenious, and drawing inspiration from the birds is an evolution since the Wright brothers. As a passenger, in the lonely vast blue sky or the twinkling night over the Atlantic, wonder the excitement of a companion aircraft directly behind or ahead of you. That's it for now. If you found this informative, please share your thoughts on this potentially next-gen air travel and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you soon.